whenever I would go home, people didn't really know much about Hampshire, but they knew that the Yiddish Book Center was nearby. And they'd be like, oh, you should go. And I'd be like, well, I haven't really been. I snuck into the orchard like a couple times in the middle of the night, like my first year, but like beyond that. And like there was some festival that happened that I think I emceed something there. I emceed part of an open mic like 2 years ago. There was something in the yard. I don't remember. But beyond that, I hadn't even been inside the building, and like I was really resistant to it. So it also got me in here, which I'm really grateful for. This is a wonderful space, and like, I don't know, it's so great to know that this is like, you have Hampshire and then there's this other like little bubble of awesome next to Hampshire.